like a boss.
All right. So here's what you guys got to do when a guy flakes on you, ladies. All right. It's very important for you guys to understand, and it's also very important to understand what it means when a guy flakes on you. First things first. When a guy likes you, they never flake on you. The only reason why a guy will flake on you is two reasons. Why? Genuinely busy. Two, he is sick or something. But even if he's sick, he's gonna try to see you. The only way is because of work or his girlfriend or he doesn't like you. One of the three, right? So, what I learned from my experience that when a woman flakes on me, what the last thing to do is get mad, right? And the last thing to do is to make it easy on him to see you the next time. So when a woman cancels on me, for whatever reason, I don't give a fuck what reason it was. The law says that if you murder someone, we don't care about the intent. If you murder someone, you go to jail. When she flakes on me, what I do is I just say yes, no problem. But you know what? I'm not available next week anymore with you. No, motherfucker. I'm available 2 or 3 weeks from now. So what I do, she says, hey, I'm sorry, let's just try some other time, right? And I'll say, yeah, no problem. Hit me up when you're available. That's one option. Hit me up when you're available. But even if she hits me up that next week, I can't. If she hits me up that next week, I'll be busy. Why? Because the next time, if I make it wait 2 or 3 weeks, she's gonna cancel. It's gonna take 2 or 3 weeks to see me again. It's almost like going to seeing a doctor who can see you the same day, as opposed to seeing a doctor who can only see you 2 weeks from now. The one you're gonna value more is the one that sets the date a little bit further. Oh man, got some good looking neighbors, man, in this area, right? So, but the problem is that a lot of women do is that when the guy flakes on you, you're available the next time. You know, so do me a favor. A big reason why he flaked on you is because he thought that he has you, right? That's why I tell you guys don't validate guys. So no LOLs and ha-has, no compliments, right? You cancel the dates once every cancel one out of every 5 to 6 dates to keep the routine unpredictable, right? But what I don't want you guys to do is when he flakes on you, you available the next time. That I don't want you to do that. You're gonna be unavailable for the next 2 or 3 weeks, and if he flakes on you if he flakes on you the next time, you give him the Udis. Simple as that. But the fact that he flaked on you two times, look, man, it's just, how can I say this? It's disrespectful. I don't care the excuse. It's disrespectful. Do not buy into the words. I was busy. I was drawing. Actually, speaking of which, I'm sure it was a drawing that I did today, actually. Let me see. That actually happened where I flicked on a girl because I was drawing. I just didn't know I had a date. But here's a drawing that I did. Oh, look at that, right? It's pretty. Anyways, that cost me a date. But what she gotta do next is not be available next week for me. You know, because when you like the guy, you want to make this happen as well, and so you make yourself super available, right? And that's why guys will disrespect you. You know, that's why you end up liking you. That's why you end up losing the guys you like, because you give them that leeway. When you don't like the guy, you say no. You're like, you know what, man, never mind, right? But what I'm teaching you are strategies, are the things that you do naturally when you don't like the guy, right? That's what I'm teaching you. I'm just revealing to you what you guys do to guys unconsciously. Right? Right? It's true though, right? It's unconscious. You guys are not, the thing is that guys don't understand is that women hate the way they are sometimes. You know, like, guys don't understand having a bunch of dudes who are butthurt about the fact that you flaked on them. They don't understand how that is. They don't understand how it is to be like, fuck, I hope I don't see that dude in that area. You know, like, because, there are guys that you dated and there are guys that take it hard, right? You don't want that. But guys don't understand that, the negative part of attention. So, but yeah, man, the way to prevent these flakes, also to prevent the flakes, you just gotta follow the rules that I tell you guys about texting, taking you a while. If you just follow that and then you do this on how to deal with the flakes, you'll be good. But flakes are inevitable. Ghosting is inevitable. Even in my world, I get flaked on from time to time, right? But what I do is I have art, right? And there's no one that could take that away from me. Right? So they can flake as much as they motherfucking want, right? So you guys gotta have that insulating thing that will help you when people flake, right? But that's for another story. But this is what you do. Just make him wait 2 or 3 weeks. I can promise you. If they like you, they'll pay the price. You know what I'm saying? All right, people. This is Alex on mindfulattraction.org. I'm going to Europe. Going to Europe. Next week, I'll be in Amsterdam. Purchase your tickets right now. I'll be in Amsterdam. All right. So I hope you see you guys there, and talk to you later. Deuces, motherfuckers. All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other, and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your non-verbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again, is a short list of videos, because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's going to become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and all you got to do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos, stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.